you're going to see some new templates here. So for example, we have an accountant and we have some custom icons. We have an artisan bakery, bartending, a building contractor, candy store. I'll go down. A dentist template.
Oh yeah, dentals. That's actually one of Randy's. He uses dental, and he's sold over $14,000 of apps in 2 weeks.
Yep, I'll go and show one in just a second. We have like family property for just like a more family-based realtor-based like business. The farmers market. So I want you to be asking these questions with every template that I'm showing you. Is there a business that I can begin contacting online or even in my local area? It just doesn't matter. You don't need to do it. In your local area, you can do it online. So always be asking that question. Fast food, financial services, another financial services template, a food truck, an Italian pizza store, so a pizzeria, a life coach. There's plenty of life coaches. A property manager, so that's not the same as a realtor. That's someone who manages properties. So that would be someone who has a range of properties and they're looking for a manager to manage such properties. So you can get property managers to advertise themselves in that way with an app. We have the street market. We have a couple of different apps for sushi restaurants, a tattoo studio, attorney, and a cake shop. Now, I would like to pick the cake shop because I like cake, but I'm going to show the dentist one, and I just want to show you something real quick. So we're going to click on the dentist template. Just put a little 1 in the box if you've seen any templates there that you're excited to start using.
Yep, Terry's saying one. I'll call a few names out here. Darren's saying one. Ronald's saying one. Again, this is all part, Chris, of the Agency 22 upgrade if they decide.
So what is cool is we have been analyzing sort of thoroughly the app marketplace and the apps that are successful and the apps that people want. And we're really finding out that I'm just going to go to features because I'll be able to show you that the simplicity of it really does sell. So you don't need to be like a one and all solution as an app. You just need to pretend you're like a funnel. And that's what the app's for. It's to funnel the information to direct the customer so they can access what they need from the app in their phone. The customer doesn't care if it's in the app or not in the app. They just want, if they want to make a booking, they don't care if they make the booking in the app as long as they can get to the booking from within the app. So I hope that's sort of clear. And then you can see it again, we just have an about us. And this can all be edited by you, so you can just click. So we sort of pre-add features in for you to just, so you'll know sort of what to do. It gives you the template to get started. So you don't need to think about what features should I add, what features shouldn't I add. Everything is going to be in here. So then it's just up to you to then go and add it. You can see here the appointments. So we've used the form builder when it comes to a dentist. Many actually have their own booking system. It's actually under some brand for the most part. So you can easily just sort of hook it into that and send people through to that appointment system. Push notifications, reviews, services. You can add certain topics where a user can choose what information they want to receive or not receive by adding topics in. I won't show you a full demo. It's just to sort of show you the templates in action. I'm going to go back to the design. So that's the dental one. So let's say we go for, let's say we select the tattoo one. And you can see here how easy it is to swap between templates. And you have the options again. going to show you something very cool. With these templates, it will be working again on the various features. So again, you don't need to go and select what you want, or you don't need to go and select kind of features that you want. If I just go back to the home, so let's say I decide, okay, I'm going to build an accountant template. So let's just pretend you're just starting and you're deciding, right, I'm going to go after a niche. So I'm going to go for an accountant template, and I'm going to go and contact every single damn accountant I can get the details of, and I'm going to go and sell one of these apps. So I'm going to pick this here. And here is what you do once it loads. Right, so I'm just going to go to features, and I'm going to go and I'm going to pre-fill in some generalized information here. So what I would do is just I'm going to put in some text, I'm going to put in an image. Just if you follow Steve's incredible training, which is part of sort of the whole self-certification course, and this is going to be, this is your eyes closed easy, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this up. I'll create a white labeled version of it for PWA. So we'll just go down to plugins, PWA creator, and then I will send this demo app as part of the code outreach. Again, this is something that's in the self-certification, so this is all going to be made like 100% clear to you on what you need to do. But that's all you need to do, and we have so many templates now for you to pick from. So it's really up to you. It's just you pick your template and you will be able to begin outreaching to all these different
These are
types of
amazing
businesses.
because, as you say now, Chris, this upgrade to the agency, and these will now be available to anyone who upgrades. If you want to just, so this is the marketing video. Just hit play. We'll just watch a little bit of this quickly.
Yeah, it'll probably be a bit jolty when it's played through that way because of the frame rate, in case anyone's wondering.
Yeah, just try and hit play anyway, and we'll just see how it goes.
Wondered how your very own professional mobile app for your practice could increase your business and encourage repeat appointments time and time again. Think, with your own mobile app, clients can book a dental appointment with you within seconds. Want to increase client loyalty and increase repeat business? Well, what better way to reward them than with your very own in-app loyalty and coupon cards? Trust me, your clients will love you for this. Maybe you have a special offer on, like book an appointment today and get a complimentary electric toothbrush. So how would you let potential clients know about instant push notification system? That will send a message directly to their phone. This has much better deliverability and open rates than email. Then once they practice, you can suggest additional products or treatments they may need, helping your clients and boosting your practice's revenue. In today's current climate, an app provides you and your clients an easier and safer way to look after their dental health and then access all the information they need, while making your life so much easier. So why not get in contact today for more information on your own professional mobile app and a free no obligation quote.
There we go. So, Steve, you want to shrink out of that? That was fantastic. Now, put a 1 in the box. Again, do you see how powerful this is? So if you were to pay for that video on its own as a lead generation, okay? Who loves those animation videos? They're pretty awesome, aren't they? So again, if you were to pay for that on your own, $300 to $500 for that one video, okay? We are going to give you over 17 industries. And again, Steve, you can see you can download the video with a voiceover, and you can have the video downloaded with no voiceover, because then you can put in like different accents. Scroll down and show what else we give there. The email connect script, the landing page, images, and if we go back and we have a look through, you know, how many industries we have here. I mean, it's quite amazing.
So there's just a couple to be published in a few minutes, but the information is still finalizing for videos at the minute. So 13 are published, but there are some more to come after that.
Yeah, that's okay.
If we scroll through.
Yeah, tons of industries. So these are getting
go back to the first page.
Yeah. So Laura, just a question. So people were asking, is this to sell or add to an actual app? No, these videos. Okay, Laura. What you could do is you could use these videos. You could use them in many ways. You could upload to YouTube and put in a few, basically a bit of YouTube keywords and advertise, to get dentists, looking for an app. You could run a campaign on Facebook, upload this ad into Facebook, and then target dentists in an area and put it that way. With going to a lead form, so you'd capture the data, and then once they've inquired, what I would do actually is I would then, if anyone inquired about an app, I would then build a sample app, just as Steve showed you earlier, and then send them the PWA link. Does that make sense to everybody? So there's a really simple way that you can do that, because now you've got these materials to do it.
Going to open up one of the templates and show how easy it is to work with the templates that we've set up for people. So in the background, I just quickly downloaded one of the bundles, which is for the dentist. So I've got the code here. So if I open up that code, all looks a bit scary, but all I'm going to do is highlight it all and copy. And then if I move that back out of the way, and I'll paste this in.
Whoa. So literally they just cut and paste, and this is what happens. They get their landing page.
Yep, and then we've just got to add the images in. So as you see, I've got these two images here.
Okay.
So we click on the background, and you can see it's got a nice blue bar around it. And then under here, under the block settings, go to backgrounds, and we click on browse. I'm going to upload the dentist background image, and I'm going to upload the phone image. So select the background for here and click on select. Phone image here. I'm going to click on replace and open our media library and click on the phone image and select. And we can update the bits here to do with obviously your business name. This will be on your domain. And obviously we've got the downloadable video. So you just replace this video here with your own. If you're uploading it to YouTube, really easy. Just click on this and the pencil icon, and you put the YouTube video URL in here.
Set up a YouTube channel. It's totally free. Upload the videos that we give them, Steve, and then literally just paste the link that YouTube gives them.
Yep, and that's it. So that template took all of maybe 30 seconds to upload the images and add in the video, and then your contact form there to take the inquiry. And obviously, as you said, this is where you drive your traffic from your YouTube video, your Facebook ads, or however you're advertising your stuff. And there's one of these for every one of those niches that we showed earlier on.
I love it. Go back in then. We'll just look through a few more of these niches, because obviously, you're getting the landing pages. People are getting the email swipe files as well. They're getting these animated sketch videos. They're getting the original videos. I mean, this is a ton of agency material.